The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, or MMDA, conducted clearing operations in several areas of Quezon City, coinciding with the opening of classes today. Among those issued a traffic citation was a couple who brought their child to school riding a motorcycle. Aside from violating the motorcycle's maximum capacity, their child was also not wearing a helmet. Our J.M. Thompson details the story in this report.
Clearing operations were conducted left and right by the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, or MMDA, today for the first day of classes, June 8. Led by MMDA Head of the Special Operations Group Strike Force, Gabriel Go, they scoured several areas in Quezon City, including IBP Road in Barangay Batasan, Katipunan Street in Barangay Commonwealth, and Scout Torillo Mabuhay Lane. Among the violations of those apprehended were counterflowing, not wearing a helmet, improper dress code, driving without a license, and a lot of illegal parking. Just like this man who said he just had the motorcycle of his tricycle repaired, which is why he was not carrying a license, had no official receipt or certificate of registration, and was only wearing casual home clothes.
So technically, impoundable offense po yun. Unless nung time na hinuli siya kanina, meron siya mapakitang LTO portal na may lisensya siya, pwede natin tikitan. However, wala rin po siyang LTO portal. Saka pangalawa, babalik po ako doon sa issue ng ORCR. Kahit na may lisensya siya, pero kung hindi niya dala ang ORCR niya, impoundable offense pa rin.
The MMDA also did not spare the vehicles parked in front of Benigno S. Aquino Jr. Elementary School. It was discovered that one of the vehicles towed actually belonged to a kagawad. The vehicle was allegedly only parked there because of the school's flag ceremony.
Well, wala tayong exemption. Lalo-lalo po kung ang mga nahuhuli natin ay tulad po natin, mga public servants, no? Mas mahigpit pa po tayo kung tutuusin. Those who are in possession, especially those in the barangay, in the local government, or anyone in a public service, no? We have to set the better example.
A married couple who were dropping off their child to school today, the first day of classes, was also issued a ticket violation. Having 3 riders on a single motorcycle is prohibited, especially since the child was not wearing a helmet.
Hindi lang po ito about sa pagsunod ng batas. Meron po tayong tinatawag yung child safety protection or motorcycle child safety, no? Which is unang-una kailangan naka-helmet po ang mga bata. At syempre, when it comes to riding a motorcycle, maximum of 2 passengers lang po yan. Hindi po pwedeng 3 kahit na bata pa po yan.
The MMDA is strictly monitoring the routes of school services to ensure the smooth flow of traffic. The MMDA once again reminded the barangays and other government employees to cooperate in maintaining the orderliness and cleanliness of the roads and sidewalks.
So it's about time na we have to strengthen and be consistent po sa ating mga apprehensions at mga operations.
J.M. Thompson for The Nation.